Of course, Satish Jarkiewicz is a working president with me. He has worked. We all have worked together. We are a cabinet colleagues. We want to see that 28 we will come back to power. So in that we had a political strategy how to bring back the party back to power. So we all have a roadmap to take every section of the society together, and we want to protect all our MLAs. Whatever the deficiency is there, we should see that we have a parallel party force apart from the government to strengthen the party. That is what we have discussed. So I think it is. I always keep on meeting. What is wrong? He is my colleague and a senior leader of the party.
There was one more meeting was called, but it is cancelled today. Dinner meeting.
No. It is a good sense of mind, and good he has cancelled the meeting because the wrong message would have gone. So of course we had a meeting. Not only him, I am meeting a lot of other senior leaders of the party to discuss our political strategy. We want to see that we retain the power, and again 29 we should see that Rahul Gandhi will take over as the Prime Minister of this country.
Sir, there are reports that you might fly to Delhi anytime now, probably in 1 or 2 days.
No, I see now tomorrow I am having a cabinet. Today is a Samvidhan day. I could not have gone. Tomorrow is a cabinet. I could not again. After that, definitely I will seek time if anything is there, because I want to finalize this MLC seats. 4 MLC seats I have sent, and there is our KPCC trust. I wanted to reorganize the trust also on our properties. I want to discuss that with my party senior leaders.
Sir, any meeting scheduled for next week, sir, to clear all the confusion? Because
No.
the ML is demanding.
No confusion. No one should demand anything. No demand is anything. There is no any groups. What you are protecting, there is only group, the Congress group. Our group is 140 MLAs.
Sir, there are no any power crisis in the state, sir.
Mr. DK Shivakumar
ಇವತ್ತು ಸತೀಶ್ ಜಾರಕಿಹೊಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್.
demand by the MLA. One second.
ಜಮೀರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಸತೀಶ್ ಜಾರಕಿಹೊಳಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಜಮೀರ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಮುನಿಯಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ರು ಸರ್.
ಜಮೀರು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮುನಿಯಪ್ಪ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಬೇಗರೆ MLAs ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸತೀಶ್ ಜಾರಕಿಹೊಳಿನೂ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಪಕ್ಷದ ಬಲವರ್ಧನೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆ BJPಯವರು ಗೊಂದಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಗೊಂದಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅವರು ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ 140 ಜನನು ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಅಳ್ಳಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ ಆಫರು ನನಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸದಾನಂದ ಗೌಡರು ಪಾಪ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೈ ಬರ್ತ್. ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿನ್ನ ನನ್ನ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಸತೀಶು ನಾವು ಕೊಲೀಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಉತ್ತರ ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನೇಕ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ 28 ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ, 29 ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದೇ ಗುರಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಗುರಿಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಸರ್, ಇವತ್ತು AICC ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಮದುವೆನೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದೇನೆ ಅವರು. ಅವ್ರೂರು, ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ, ಅವರ ಸಂಸಾರ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಅವರ ಕರ್ಮಭೂಮಿ, ಅವರ ಪುಣ್ಯಭೂಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ?
DK sir, the question is about whether there was a promise that was made to you that you would be made the chief minister after 2.5 years, sir. If you can clear the air, sir, whether it was a promise that was made to you.
I don't want to speak anything in media. Whatever is there, we in the 4 walls we will discuss party issues. I will not discuss any political issues in the media. I think there is no other discussion, only to keep the party, our flag high, to keep this constitution very high, to protect the constitution.
But sir, the set of MLAs are upset because they are waiting to see you as the CM. Sir, they say that the AICC communication letter had stated this.
ಸರ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಣ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಂಬ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಸಿಎಂ ಬಣ, ಡಿಸಿಎಂ ಬಣ, ತಟಸ್ಥ ಬಣ
ನಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಬಣ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಂದು ಯಾವ ಬಣನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಬಣ ಒಂದು ಬಣ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಣ. ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರು 140.
ಸರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಸರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? ಏನು ಶನಿವಾರ ಬುಲಾವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊ.
Well, that was Mr. D.K. Shivkumar there saying that there are no factions in the Congress, and he says there's only one faction that he belongs to, and that is the Congress party. So a strong statement coming in. He further says that he's not going to discuss, the change of leadership in front of the media. This was a closed, door meeting that happened between a few leaders. This is something that he's reiterated. He had made this statement, over the last few days.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Let's in fact cut across again. He continues to speak to the media.
ಆಗಬೇಕು, ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ? ನಡೀರಪ್ಪ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ವಿನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ 28 and 29. ನಡೀರಿ.
ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸರ್.
Sir, will you be the chief minister again, sir? The question remains same because your large group of MLAs are seeking that. They want to see you as a CM.
No one they all want Congress party to come to power.
But they want you to see as a CM, sir. There is a huge demand by MLAs.
Thank you.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Well, that was the Deputy Chief Minister there saying that the priority is now 28, 29. He's talking about the next Assembly and the Lok Sabha election. We'll really have to see, with this sort of a drama that's unfolding, and the Deputy Chief Minister maintaining his calm and saying that at the end of the day, if any decision is to be made, it is going to be the High Command. But how soon is that decision going to be made is the bigger question as we look at the opposition who continue to mount the attack. And there we had the Deputy Chief Minister clearing the air once again and saying that he's not going to discuss the leadership change issue. For him, the party comes first. There is no factionalism. Factionalism for him means that there is only Congress party and the 138 to 40 MLAs.